So, you ready to go on to the is it problem solving?
It is solving of problems, yeah.
You like it? You're dressed up again.
I am, well, different problems called for different measures, Wayne. And so are you, you've got a different shirt on and stuff.
Well, different problems call for different measures. I'm in a new mission because the last one was such a success. I'm in the mission with the and the salt.
Ah, similar but slightly different to mission I is, isn't it? And the pepper.
I've heard of it.
Yeah,
it's good.
Well, you should have heard of it really, that's...
Well, it was
I'll salt that. Oh, okay. That makes sense, because... Yeah. Anyway, problem solving.
Yep, it's a strange chapter for us to teach, really, because we don't really do anything, it's just talking.
No. There is some questions in there, but you can do the questions yourself or you can ask them. But it just applies stuff we've already done to weird situations.
Yeah, that's what this chapter is about. It's about the weird situations. You rarely get the questions that say, this is a fractions question, or this is a ratio question. You always get real life situations and you have to apply your maths to it.
Yeah, so Keith wants to bake lots of cakes. He has so many eggs, so many cakes. No, he needs cakes.
So many eggs, so many flowers, how many cakes can you make and stuff.
That sort of thing, using this ratio.
Mr. Lee invests this amount of money in a bank account, so it's an interest question, but it's a real thing, and you have to realise this is an interest question.
Yeah, and the only thing you can really think about extra to your questions is sort of an estimation. You shouldn't have numbers about things that don't make sense. Like, if a person goes to the grocery store to buy apples, he probably won't buy 32 billion apples.
Unless he's making cider, then he might.
Then he might buy 32 million or billion apples. It's a lot of apples, though.
It is quite a lot. I'm not sure I could eat that many. I'm not Crash Bandicoot.
Do you like apples? I've got a question about apples.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
So I've got 3,000 apples.
3,000 apples.
And then I got a train from Brighton to Birmingham going 20 miles an hour. On the train, I meet a guy called Philip. He's got quite a lot of oranges, but a 3:2 ratio of oranges to my apples. I give him half of my apples, and he gives me half of his oranges. When's the train arrive?
Okay, so you've got 3,000 apples, Birmingham to Brighton.
And who killed the train driver?
So your train's going to arrive at 11:45, and I think it was that guy.
Ah, the waiter.